Welcome to BKW Physics. I'm Mr. McConley, and I'm going to do a classic demonstration here where I have two steel balls, and one of these steel balls is going to be dropped vertically straight to the table. At the exact identical time, the other ball is going to be fired forward. And the question is, which ball will hit the table first? Now, if you know a little bit about physics and you've been following along, you realize that there's a little bit of trick here because both steel balls will hit the table at the same time. So, let's watch that. As you can see or hear on the video, both the ball that dropped straight down and the ball that was fired forward hit the ground at the same time. In fact, if you stop the video at any point along the way and say this ball had fallen this far, then the other steel ball would actually be at the same exact height. Because when something falls, there's one force pulling it down. That's the force of gravity. And the force of gravity acts the same on both objects, irregardless of the path they're taking. So if this ball had been fired way out, it's still, if it had been fired way out here, then this ball in the same amount of time would only fall to here. So, I'm going to do the demonstration one more time, and I also want you to think of one additional thing. Do you feel that the mass of these two steel balls would have any effect on the outcome? Because they are both steel balls, however this one has a hole drilled through it and this one does not, so this one is more massive. And the answer to that question is no. The mass has no effect. If I drop a bowling ball and a small pebble, shoot, they will both hit the ground at the same time. That was done in an earlier demonstration, if you go back in some of my videos. And so the mass has no effect. I'm just checking for levelness, because if it's not level, all bets are off. So this time the ball is going to be fired slightly further. But again, you can see that they hit the ground at the same time. Physics.